Geometric series with sigma notation. Geometric series is the sum of a geometric sequence, which is a sequence where each successive term is the previous term, which is multiplied by a fixed value called the common ratio. So, for example, you could have a geometric sequence of 1, 4, 16, 64, and so on, and then you can notice that each term is being multiplied by 4, meaning 4 is going to be our common ratio. So as a geometric series, it would be 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 plus and so on. We can use sigma notation to help find a sum of a series. So our first term we could call a times r to the 0 power. In each successive term we are going to increase the power of r by 1. And with this being a finite series, meaning it's not going to go on forever, we are going to end at a times r to the nth power. So we can write this as the sum, capital sigma, and start our index at 0, k equals 0, all the way to k equals n, of a times r to the kth power. So this is, using sigma notation, a general way to represent a geometric series where r is some non-zero common ratio. It can even be a negative value. So for our first problem, let's use the previous geometric series example, except we are going to stop at the 6th term, and we have the sum where k equals 0 all the way to k equals 6 of 1 times 4 to the 6th power. So that is what this series looks like in sigma notation.